Hey, it's Oz from Ozzy's Music Academy. I've got the Seven Nation Army by White Stripes tutorial for you really quickly. I'm just going to give you a little bit of basic guitar setup with some power chords. So we've got two main riffs. We have our intro riff, and then we got something that goes in between, and then we're going to add power chords. The part that goes in between the transition is kind of a power chord setup, so we're going to get on that today. Starting off on our guitar, we're starting on our 5th string, 7th fret. So you're going to count up from your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be my yellow string. And I'm going to go all the way down to my 7th fret. That's going to be where the 3rd dot is. So from the bottom, I'm going string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7th fret down from the very top. Okay? And we go from 7 again, up to 10, back to 7, 5, 3, 2, 7, 7, 10, say 5, 3, 2. Now, if that's too fast, let me do it again for you slowly. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. This is the intro riff. They do this 12 times. You just got to play through that 12 times.